Hi everyone, today we're just gonna download the app on our phone, Android. So all you have to do is just open a browser and write down the panel app picker that you received. Wait a bit longer. Meanwhile, okay, so we downloaded. Now we press download and we wait. As soon as you finish downloading, you can see the open button and you press next, install. The screen comes out, you press done, then you should actually press open. So let's go to the app picker and just approve everything that you read here. Device admin, activate, enable service, and you go down here to ask you app picker, press OK, enable the accessibility on your side, and that's basically it. Now, oh, that's a different one. So we open here,